Change the ringtone.
What's up, y'all? What's up? Well, I am coming back here just to in a different background. Yes, I ended up moving. I ended up moving from my old apartment to this one. And so far, I've been here for only a day. I moved in yesterday, which was March 8th. Today is March 9th, Sunday. And when I tell you guys, the day that I've had from yesterday to today, overwhelming. I hate moving. I'm tired of moving back and forth. I am exhausted. I am 34 years old, almost 35. And y'all, bros, I am up to here with the moving, okay? And LA is expensive, y'all. It's not some cheap. And if you want to live somewhere cheap, you're gonna be living somewhere in the ghetto. And yeah, I'm not doing that. So anyway, long story short, I come into the apartment building, right? Into my apartment. And I start like jotting things down. So usually they give you, the leasing office should give you an inventory list or inventory condition form or list or whatever, and you have to like pretty much jot down all the wrong things that you see in the apartment and then give it to them within 3 business days. Hand it to them so that they can put that in your portal or your file or whatever, so that when you're moving out, they don't charge you for extra stuff that was already damaged in a sense, okay? So first of all, I filled it out, right? But then as I was like walking around, spending time here, I slept here last night, I started noticing like little bits and pieces. So the stuff that I ended up jotting down was like just main things that I ended up noticing as I walked in. Then I noticed they did not clean this apartment at all, y'all. So I have to do a whole thorough clean before my furniture arrive, which come on Thursday. So yeah, that is not acceptable. If you guys are kind of like, you know, if this leasing office is telling me or like urging me to, you know, come sign the lease and stuff like that, give us the cashier's check on time, and so that you can move in, and like they were kind of making it seem like, yeah, it's my fault for not moving in on time and stuff. I had known that I was supposed to move on the 7th. Why am I late, etc., etc. Okay, if that's the case, why am I walking into an apartment that is not clean? Make it make sense. Like, you out here pressing me about some nonsense of being 10 minutes late, but yet my apartment is not even fully ready for somebody to fully move in. So if I had a baby, for example, if I had a little child, right? And my child is allergic, has allergies or something, now I have to deal with dust issues, and my child is sick and stuff like that, gets sick because of y'all. Like, come on now. Like, stay on top of your stuff. Like, if you're going to make a big deal about somebody being late, yes, I take accountability for me being late. However, get the apartment ready. Like, hello. Anywho, that was I had to rant about that. As I slept in yesterday, I slept in this apartment, I started noticing little bits and pieces. So on this light fixture right here, at the top over here, the light bulb or like the light frame is slightly like coming off. Then I also noticed, I have to show you guys this for real. Like, I am not even playing, y'all. Y'all will see the tour another time. Y'all will see the apartment whenever I am vlogging and stuff like that. I'm not going to do a whole full tour or whatnot. But anyways, I'm looking extremely tired, but whatever. Yeah, don't focus on me. Anyway, so look at this mess. So this is one of the bathroom doors, so they don't have handles, which is nice. I like that. It's very sleek or whatever, very convenient. But do you guys see how cracked this is? It's super cracked. I didn't even notice this when I viewed this apartment, but it is cracked everywhere. I don't know if like water got on here or something, so it like raised it up a bit, but they need to come and fix that. Either like take this down, the whole door down, and redo it, or whatever that they need to do. But I definitely put that on their condition form. And then also when I viewed this apartment, I noticed there was this crack right here on the tile. I told the person who was viewing this apartment with me, I told them, hey, look, like, are they gonna fix that before I move in? He was like, oh yeah, yes, of course we're gonna fix it, knowing damn well you're not gonna fix nothing. Come on now, stop playing with me. Anywho, y'all, that was that. I know it's a little messy looking over here, but don't care, don't worry about it. I will be cleaning it up. I'll be cleaning it up once everything is clean and stuff like that. I don't even have cleaning products with me. I only have like Lysol, like the spray, and the wipes. Then I also noticed like the cupboards, not these ones, but the one on the fridge one is dirty. The gas, let me just show y'all. Okay, so I have to wait for my Wi-Fi to come so I can set my Echo thing, my Alexa stuff. Right now I'm sleeping in an air mattress. My bed is not here. Do you guys see the dirt? I think this is oil. Then over here is some more oil or something. This is super filthy. It's super dirty. You guys can see like oil marks or whatever. You can definitely clean this up. Like, they did not do a good job cleaning this thing. I definitely like the fact that it's gas. This is the first time I've lived in an apartment and they had a gas stove, which is awesome. I love that. But anyways, yeah, that's dirty. Over here on the thing, on the oven is dirty. Do you guys see the marks? Like, they didn't clean anything. And then right here there's a dent. There's a dent down here. I don't know if that's, I don't think that's supposed to be like that. And then on the microwave part, like, if you guys look, you guys can see, cannot fully see it, but I can. Oh, I think you can now. Over here is just a filthy, just filled with filth, dirt. Over here where the vents are. Like, I need to really do like a thorough clean of this unit. I might maybe even hire cleaners or something for them to do it for me because of the time, because I have to go back to work on Friday and stuff. But I don't know if I'm going to be able to like finish everything by then. But even down here is super dirty. The apartment definitely looks nice, y'all. I really like how sleek the countertops are and stuff, the appliances. They're very, very sleek. I like the fact that they do not have like handles, which is amazing. But this whole building, like the leasing office, definitely need to do better than this, because this is unacceptable. Like, I'm paying all this money, you're charging me all this money, for this expensive apartment or whatever, and you can't even clean by the time I move in. Like, what? Make me sense, for real. Anywho, y'all, I honestly did not come here to complain to you guys, but I definitely have to. Oh, y'all, I also organized this medicine cabinet, which is cool. I actually have one in this apartment. In the old one I didn't have one, but I just put like all my facial stuff there. Obviously I love moisturizers, as you guys can see. I'm obsessed with them or something, I don't know. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6, 7, 8 moisturizers, probably 10. I don't know where the other ones are, but 10 moisturizers, Hilda, come on, that's a bit much. But yeah, this is pretty much where I have like all my facial stuff, my oils, my toners, my exfoliators, my moisturizers, my sunscreens and stuff like that, and also my oh, and this soft clothes too, as well as like my cleansers, and they're there as well. But yeah, with that being said, I will, yeah, see y'all later. I have to go to sleep, y'all. Hey guys, welcome back to another day. So today is an exciting one for me. Today I'm actually having my movers come. They're actually already here. Sorry I'm looking crazy, it's been a rough day, but I'm actually currently in the bathroom because everything is being, you know, organized or whatever. A lot of breath because of this carpet that we just had to, like, you know, maneuver. But anyways, I'm here vlogging this little move. My previous movers that I had that took my stuff to storage, they damaged the heck out of my my furnitures. So I'm gonna see later on how I can, you know, get reimbursed or something, or like whatever the case is, whatever that they can do so that I can get my money back in a sense, you know, because these are expensive items. But anyways, this apartment is fairly small, so I'm trying to fit a 2-bedroom apartment furnitures. I'm trying to fit 2-bedroom apartment into a 1-bedroom apartment. Well, a 1-bedroom plus den, but the den is kind of small, so yeah, bear with me, y'all. But I'm trying to make it work and see how it's gonna work. Hi guys, welcome. I am going to be clean my apartment. When I tell you guys, my apartment is filthy. It's filthy, okay? Last time I cleaned was maybe a month ago. I think like a thorough clean was like a month ago. I'm going to tackle the living room and the kitchen, as well as maybe the bathroom. The bathroom is not really that big of a deal. It's just like, you know, hair stuff and whatever hanging around on the counter, and obviously I have to mop and well, I have to vacuum and mop. Speaking of vacuum, I ended up getting myself a Dyson. So I ended up getting myself a new vacuum. This is the Dyson V8. I think it's 2025, I believe, or 2024. 2025, I think. It's detachable, like you can detach it and, you know, vacuum other areas in your house and stuff, in your apartment, whatever. It's very lightweight. Yeah, I have to actually take out the filter because, ooh, it's filthy. There's like hair and dust in there. But anyways, so I ended up getting that. I ended up getting that Dyson vacuum just because this big old vacuum right here, my previous vacuum, it's just too big and too heavy, you know, and it has a cord. The V8 is cordless, so that's amazing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But first and foremost, after going walk Leo, I'm starting my day off a little late. It's 4 p.m. y'all. Yes, it's 4:51 p.m. Pretty much it's 5 o'clock. The reason being is because, like, I work nights, so my body sleeps during the day, and then at nighttime I'm awake. So if you guys ever see like my videos going up like late at night in the US, specifically if you like Pacific Standard Time, that's the reason why, because I'm just awake. So I need to do something with my time. Like, I can't sleep. I try to force myself to sleep, but I can't. My body is just so accustomed to being awake at night because I work nights. So anyways, with that being said, so let me go ahead and get going. And also Leo is gonna wear his booties as well because outside it's probably hot outside. Put Leo his shoes on as well because I just don't like my house being dirty, especially my furniture. I have like cream furniture, so I don't want those to, you know, get dirty. So I have him wear these. And plus also outside it's hot. It's hot outside, so his paws a little burnt up, but he's doing better now. I've been using like coconut oil on him. But yeah, these really come in handy. These are also from Amazon as well. I will link them down below, so you guys, if you guys have any pets or dogs or whatever, you can, you know, have them wear these. They come in I got them in an extra small. They come in like different sizes. Leo, come here. Let mommy put the booties on. Let's get going. Let me put on his leash. Alright, his leash is on. We got our keys and we're out the door. Last but not least, quick outfit check. Quick outfit check right there, and we're out the door. Bye.